Chen. Here are the global Artha futures delivering the latest financial review. Now, everybody's in the market has been prioritized their attention to China, and due to the sentiment on the Chinese market has been dragging on, and this will benefit the gold price and the European market. However, it also dragged down the US dollar and Australian dollar. Now, the Australian RBA is trying to hold the interest rate steady yesterday. This is due to the data from the real estate value are still strong enough to hold the Australian economy. However, due to the Australia is the partnership with China in terms of the trading, economy and trading, so it is predicted that Australian market will keep descending down. Now, in European market, if you look at yesterday on the German unemployment rate, which has predicted to be reduced by 3,000. However, the data is coming out. The unemployment is reduced by 7,000, which is a very good news. This and affecting the European market and increasing in the euro currency. And also last night, the closing price for the Asian market, as you can see, has been dragging down. This is due to the Chinese market sentiment. The Nikkei has been closing 3.99% lower, where Hang Seng has been closing 2.29% lower. The Shanghai market has been closing 1.24% lower, and ASX 200 has been closing 3.45% lower. The prediction for the Nikkei today is 18,480 to 18,930 point, while the prediction for the Kospi is about 228.60 to 231.30 points. The prediction the market for the Hang Seng is 21,180 to 21,660 points. Now you can see the American market, the Dow Jones has been down for 2.48%, while the S&P 500 has been down for 2.96%, and the Nasdaq has been closing 2.94% lower. And this is also due to the sentiment on the Chinese market, which is affecting the US market. Now, if you look at the currency rates for the euro, has been the prediction will be $1.117 to $1.135, and the pound sterling GBP is predicted to be 1.531 to 1.543, and also the Australian dollar is predicted to be 0.7430 to 71800. Now the prediction. The press conference for the S&P 200 has been coming up last night, which saying that the Swiss franc has been overvalued, and therefore they are preparing to cut the intervention which is required, and they will be cutting the interest rate to minus 0.05%. And if this is happening, then what will happen is the Swiss franc will keep getting stronger. And this will be followed up within 1 to 2 weeks, because due to the S&P, when S&P 200 releasing a statement, usually they will getting update for within 1 to 2 weeks. However, the Swiss market are pretty much similar to the Chinese market. They will tend to have a surprise news so it is much recommended that all of us to get updated news within 3 to 4 days period. Now I'm going to the gold price. The gold price predicted to be 1128.80 cents to $1,143.13, and this is due to the gold price will probably still increasing a little bit more due to the Chinese market and the dragging down of the Asian market and the US market. Now, if you look at the calendars for today, what we'll be expecting is we'll have the Spanish unemployment and the PPI report that will affecting the euro currency. However, tonight at 7 o'clock, we'll have the ADP non-farm employment change, and if the value of the employment is much higher than predicted, which is 201,000, then this will happen is the US dollar will getting much stronger. I'm Jasper Chen here at the Global Artha Futures, delivering the latest financial support. Thank you, everyone.